Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Math. In this session we are going to explain simultaneous equations. So simultaneous equations are those equations which are constructed using same variables and those equations which are satisfied by same values of variables. So simultaneous equations are those equations which are constructed using same variables, and those equations are satisfied by same values of variables, then the equations will be simultaneous equation. For example, we have variables x and y, and equations are constructed 2x plus y is equal to 10 is one equation, and 4x square plus y square is equal to 68. Now these two equations are constructed using variables x and y, and these two equations are satisfied by same values of variable. For when x is equal to 1, the value of y is 8, so it is satisfied by the order pair 1 and 8. Similarly, if the value of x is 4, the value of y is 2, so it is satisfied by the order pair 4 and 2. Now these are constructed in same variables x and y, and they two equations are satisfied by same values of x and y, x1, y8. This will satisfy this equation. Let's find it out. Insert x is equal to 1, so and y is equal to 8. So equation, let's say this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Equation 1 implies that 2 into 1 plus 8 is equal to 10. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. 10 is equal to 10 means 1, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 8 satisfies the first equation. Similarly, equation number 2 implies that 4 into 1 square plus y, insert y is equal to 8, 8 square is equal to 68. So 4 multiplied with 1 plus 8 square is 64 is equal to 68. 4 plus 64 is equal to 68. 68 is equal to 68. Means equation number 2 is also satisfied by the same values of variables. Similarly, if we insert x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2, it will satisfy both the equations. So these equations are simultaneous equations. So now to find or solve the simultaneous equations, the number of equations must be equal to the number of variables. Or if there are two variables like we have x and y, we should have two simultaneous equations to find the value of x and y. Similarly, if we have three variables, i.e. x, y and z, then we require three equations, three simultaneous equations to find values of variable. If we have three variables that we are going to find, then we require three equations, and that will be called the system of simultaneous equations, which will be used to find the value of those variables. If we have four variables to find, then we will need four equations, four simultaneous equations to find the values of those variables. So simultaneous equations are those equations which are constructed using the same variables and are satisfied by the same values of those variables. For solution of the simultaneous equation, if we have two variables, then we required two equations to find the value of x and y. For example, if we have variable x and y, these two equations can be used to find the value of x and y, and I will solve the same example in my next session. Now, if we have three variables, then we will require three equations to find the values of those variables, and so on. And it's simple to say that the number of variables to find, we need the same number of equations to find the value of those variables. So hopefully this is easy to understand. If you find the video helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.